This video, we are going to be building um, a hotel booking website using Elementor Page Builder. So we are going to be using a theme. Why do you even need a hotel booking website? If you rent out properties, or maybe you rent out homes, you rent out rooms in your home on a platform like Airbnb, they take a percentage of your earnings. But when you have your own website, you don't have any percentage. You take 100% of all that comes in. Secondly, Airbnb may make arbitrary rules that affect people with properties. But when you have your own website, you can do whatever it is you desire on it. You have the flexibility, you own it, it's your own personal real estate on the internet, and you can make the rules. What you don't want, you don't permit. What you want, you permit as you desire. So we are going to be using a theme, and it's called the Romancy theme. Now, this is the theme here. You can get it from Theme Forest. Just for full disclosure, I am not an affiliate. It doesn't even have an affiliate program. So you can go ahead and purchase the theme from here. I'm going to put the link in the description. So we are going to come and install the theme. I already have it purchased. You need to purchase it. I think the theme is just $59 and it's actually really good. Let's go ahead. We'll come on the themes, and then we want to add new. I already have it installed. I already have it installed, but for those who don't know how to install themes which have been purchased, I'll just go ahead and do this again. And I'll come here and say add new. We have the default 2023 theme here from Elementor, add new, and then I'll come to upload theme, choose file, and then this is the Romancy theme. We are not going to be using the child theme, we don't need it. And then we'll go ahead and install. It's installing. It might take some time. Okay, it's installed, so we'll go ahead and activate it. Yes, it's activated, and you see it's asking us for the following required plugins for this theme to work. If we go ahead and check the website right now, you'll see that it is just a bland basic website with nothing to show for this. Doesn't even look like a website. So, but for us to be able to have all the functionality, let us first of all start by activating these plugins, the required plugins. To activate all of them at the same time, you can just click here on plugins on this checkbox, and it selects all of them. Then bulk actions, you choose activate and then apply. So depending on your internet speed, it might take a few seconds. So all of them are activated. The internet is really fast. So we'll go to install plugins right now. We want to activate all of them. It's already bringing us to the Elementor dashboard, but we don't want to come here yet. We want to go ahead, come here first of all, and then there is too much going on here. We can go ahead and reduce what we can see here. Uncheck all of this, leave only health status. Yes, WooCommerce setup, we can leave that too. So we come under plugins and look for installed plugins, and we see all of these installed plugins here. I already had Elementor Pro installed previously, so I'm going to go ahead and activate it. Let me delete this and do this from scratch so that you see what it's all about. I want to use Elementor, the Pro version, because the free version doesn't give me certain functionalities which I need to build this website. I want to use some Pro features, so I need Elementor Pro. I think it should be about $59 right now for a basic site. You can use my link in the description, and I think you'll get a discount. I already have it purchased, and it's in my computer file manager. I'm going to go to add new. If it was a free plugin, I can just search from here and then I activate it from there. But this is not. This is actually a paid plugin, so I will need to upload it, and then I'll choose the file from here, and it brings me here. This is the Elementor Pro version, which I have already purchased. I'm going to go ahead and install it. It might take a few minutes or a few seconds. It's installing. Okay, it's installed. Let me go ahead and activate it. Okay, so we have Elementor Pro installed. So we want to, you look at this website here, it doesn't look much like a website. What we want to do is that we want to import the demo data for the website to look like this, like this. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come under appearance, hover over appearance, and then you see import demo data. Yes, click on that. What it's going to do is that it's going to give us, make the website look like what you see here, import pictures and all that. Then we can customize it to our taste. So click on import demo data, and then it's asking us for all of this. We are not going to be using any of this. We don't want to do any analytics or any SEO right now. Just continue and import. And then it's importing. It might take a while based on your internet speed. Based on your internet speed. I'll go ahead and pause the video here. So we are back, and we are told here that import is complete. It took I think almost a minute or so. We can go ahead and visit the website now from here to see what is there. You can see this is what has been imported, and it's really beautiful. It's been imported and it's really beautiful. So all of these have been imported, but this website is far from finished. You have your own custom functionalities, custom things you want to put here. So this is where all of that needs to be done now. So we are going to come back, or probably you have your own logo you want to change here. So what we were going to do is that we'll come to the back end, and then we'll come to theme settings. It's loading. So we can either do this from here. We can either do this from here, or we can come back here. Now look at the difference. This is what we had before. So this is, we can come to the dashboard now. We can either do the customization from here. Maybe you want to change the typography. You want to change the fonts from Barlow to maybe Montserrat. That's primary, to Montserrat. What we have there now is Barlow. Probably your client tells you, or you want a font like Montserrat. This is where we look for it. Montserrat. Here it is. Here it is. Okay. And then you see the theme. The font is going to change here. Yes, it has changed. It's now Montserrat. And then secondary font, we can just use that. We can just take that like that. And then you can make other changes here. Color. Probably you want this to be probably something like gold. You want this to be gold. So what we can do is that you can come to Google and you say gold color hex code. Okay, you search for that. Okay, so you have different shades of gold here. Probably this is the one you want to use, this gold inside here. So you can use a color picker theme. I am using a Chrome extension called iDropper. You can go to the Chrome web store and download that, and then you click on it, and it's going to say pick color from web page. And then when you do that, it gives you this cursor, so you can come here and pick this gold. Let me pick that there. It's selected it. Then I can come here and copy the hex code. I copy from there. I've copied that. Then now I come here and simply paste it here and click enter. You see it changing here. You see it has changed here. It has changed here too. So up here for the header, we are going to have to change that manually. So we see we now have it changed in a lot of places. So this is, it gives you a lot of flexibility. Let's go ahead and save that. So we can come now to other site identity, tagline, and things like that. We can come, but I want us to do it from the dashboard itself. So let's come here and let's look at appearance themes, and then we come to customize. and it still brings us to the same thing. So it's the same thing you can do there. So you can see we are going ahead. The layout, you can change the layout. You want to make it, maybe you want to add sidebars to the right or to the right, you can do it from there. Maybe you want this to be 13 or 1300, you can add that there. Or you want the sidebar width to be 400, you can do that. And then you come here, header banner, you can choose the header style you want. Probably maybe header 1. If we change that there, you see it's changed. You see it looks a little bit different now. Maybe a header restaurant, you can see it's changing. Let's say header 2. Let's see header 2, what it gives us. It gives us minor changes, so we're going to leave it with the header banner. Yes, so we'll go ahead and publish that, and then we come other widgets. You can change the widgets, main sidebar, you can remove some or add some widgets here. And then you can come to the footer, and default footer, there is just one there. And then you can come to the block, you can change the block and change other things here. So what I want us to go now and do is that I want us to go to the pages. Now when you look at this website, you see it has 2 home pages. This is the default home page, but there is a second home page. This is the default home page. You see it here, you can see all of this here, and it's really good. It's really good. I will go with this, but you may have a different preference. You may have a different preference. Maybe you want this to be home 2. You can look at this. The second home page looks a little bit different. This availability calendar is within the hero section, so I don't know if this may be your preference. It has also this, it has other functionalities. Look at it, it looks a little bit different. So I will go with home 1. I will go with home 1. I will go home 1, and I want to make home 1 to be the home page. I want to make it to be the home page, so that by default all of these, they don't show. Now you look at also the rooms, the kind of rooms listings. There are different layouts. There is the first layout, which is room listing 1. You can look at room listing 2. You can see it looks a little bit different. It's no longer in a grid, it's in a list form. And then we have room listing 3. You can see it looks different. So I will go with room listing 1, because it just gives a bird's eye view of everything. So we are going to do all of that at the level of the menu. Then you come, you have pages here, several pages. It's your decision if you want to add all of these pages, fitness, swimming, and all that. All of these pages are here, so you see all of that. So we want to add all of these to the menu. We want to create edit the menu, remove what we don't want. We come to under appearance, you click on menus, and then this is the primary menu. So what we want to do is that we want to remove everything that we don't want here. So first of all, we are going to remove the custom link for this home, remove it, and then we want to maintain home 1 as the home page. So come here and you remove these 2, and then you come and you just want to edit it and make it home. Make it home. And then for rooms, this custom link, we want to remove it. We want to maintain only room listing 1, so we can use bulk select and remove these 3 down and say remove selected menu items. So I want to rename these rooms. Rooms. And then of course the about us section will maintain that. Then we may want to see for the about us, or let's say we want to remove this block items here, we may put them on the footer menu. So we'll use bulk select and we remove all of these block sections here, and then we'll put them on the footer menu, and then we'll remove selected items. And then for pages, we may want to say for about us, we want to add FAQ. as a sub menu under About Us, um, Contact as a sub menu under About Us, and then Gallery as a sub menu under About Us. Now we want to put Contact to be a standalone page on its own. Let it be a standalone page on its own. Let's put it down here. But for these, we want to put them under a general page called amenities. Amenities. So instead of pages, we want to call this amenities. Amenities. So it's going to be a drop down. When you look at the menu and you're going to say amenities, but when you drop down on it, you see restaurant as an amenity, spa as an amenity, fitness as an amenity, swimming as an amenity. Then we have contact page. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, main items, first level items, and then there are going to be sub items too. Let's come to the page. Let's load it. So you see, this is what we have here. We have home, we have rooms, we have About Us, and under the About Us, we have FAQ and gallery, and then we have amenities, restaurant, spa, fitness, and then we have contact us, and then we have the book now button. So let's go ahead and do some more customizations to the website. So we want to come under pages, look for all pages. We want to customize the home page. This is the home page. I want to say edit with Elementor. I'll go ahead and close these other pages. Too many pages open here. So the Elementor page builder is opening. So in case probably we have other pictures we want to use for this, we can go ahead and change them here. Now we can edit section and we change some of these pages. Let me go ahead. You can use the navigator and then you click on section, you click on column. You can change this, the text here. You can change the text here to be something else. Let's say you want to change it to live the best life. Okay, and the subtext will say no. Say the best hotel for your family. We can leave that, and then we want to change the color of this box, of this button, to be the gold color which we initially used here to give it a luxury feel. So we click on this button. Let me close this navigation. We click on this button and then we come to style. We are going to remove it from here. Remove the theme link from there. We come to style, and then this is the color. We are going to change the color from here to gold. We are going to change it to gold. So it has that luxury feel about it right now. We'll change this to gold. So it gives it a very luxurious look. And then this is already changed to gold. And then probably want to say welcome to whatever the name of your hotel will be. Maybe welcome to let's say Dutch Hotel. I don't know why I'm using that. Welcome to Dutch Hotel. Let me change that there. Dutch Hotel. Probably because I have a friend who is Dutch. Dutch Hotel. As hotel, yes, you can go ahead and you can leave that there. Then we want to make this to be gold. We want to change the color of this to be gold. And then we want it to be thicker. Go to typography. We maintain that barlow and then size and then the width. Let's make it 800. Yes, 800. That's good. And then we want to change this to Montserrat. Let's make this a little bit darker. You can change it here. See Montserrat. Montserrat. Yes, that looks better. Let me see this. Welcome to a hotel. What font they are using here? Typography. Let me see if I can change the width. Yes, you can change that to 800. So you can look, you see it looks a lot better now. CEO of Dutch Hotel, Dutch Hotel. Yes, and then we can change that text to gold, to gold, and then we can change his name to be black, somehow blackish, darkish. That's a proper word to be used there. And then you can see all of this. We want to change all of these too. We'll change one of these and then we'll just use the style. So we'll come here, we want this heading to be thicker. See, let's just see, not our services, let's say added services. I think that's better English for that part. Added services. Then you come to style, you say typography, and then we want to change the width to 700, and it's still Barlow. I think it looks a lot better now. Then we click here and we have these icons, pick up and drop. We'll pick you up and drop you up, but we want to change the text color to black, and then we want to change this to let it be gold. Gold may not be very appropriate there, but we'll just go about that. We'll change primary color to gold. Yes, I think gold is going to be proper. Yes, so the icons have changed to gold. The icon color has changed to gold, and then we can change the content color too, from that blue to gold. So yes, gold, and then we change the text color to black. We also want to change the text typography to Montserrat, as we've been using Montserrat. We've been using Montserrat all through. So want to change that to Montserrat, and it's supposed to be black. So instead of us going ahead and doing all of these customizations one by one, what we can simply do is that we can copy this style here, copy style, and then we'll just right click on this blue pen and say copy, and then you paste style, right click here. Don't say paste style. Paste and paste style are different. If you click on paste, it's going to copy everything it has here and put here, but we just want the style. That's the color and the font which we have changed. So you say paste style, you see changes there, and you can do the same thing here. Paste style here, and also here. So you can see we have this looking very beautiful, and then it has all of this. We can go ahead. Please don't forget to update, lest your work be wasted. So we have all of this here, and you see our video. We want to change that our video to let's see, video tour. Now our video makes no sense. Explore about us. We can just leave that there. Then there is a video here. From every indication, it links you to a YouTube video. If you have your own YouTube video, you can embed it here. Then you see this, these are bragging rights, so we can change this. Want to make this bolder, want to make this, now we can make this part darker, the overlay here to be darker. Click on this section and click on style, come to background overlay. You can change the picture here. Let's say you want another picture which is better than this. You can come to pexels.com, and you see hotel room. So you can go for any of these. I want to filter this, and let's make it a horizontal picture, orientation horizontal. So you can see this one looks good. Let's open a new folder. You can also go for this dark one. It really matches with the theme of the website we are building. So you can come here, free download. You choose your resolution. Let's choose 1920 by 1080p and download the selected size. So it's downloaded to my You often want to download a picture which is not very large in terms of size, so that it doesn't bloat your website. So we'll come back here. I think here's where we're. Oh, okay, no, we're here. Too many pages open. So I'll go ahead and close these so I don't get confused. I will come here now and I'll choose that picture, upload files, select files. I'll go to my downloads folder. This is the file, pixels something, and then I'll change that there, and then insert media. You see it gives us that dark theme which we have all through the website. In building websites, you really want to harmonize your colors and the pictures and things like that. So this is what we have here. And then we are told here that 98% customer satisfaction. We want to make these to be bolder. We want to make these to be bolder so that it's really clearly seen. So click here, um, number, and the typography. We want it that is Gilda display. We want it to be weight 800. Yes, so that is really bold. We can even make it 900. Let me see, bold. Yes, we can make it 900. That's then the title, which is branches. We can make it also bold. Let's see, width. We can make it 800 too. That's too bold. Let's make it 700. Yes, that's good. So we can copy the style here and paste the style here. Paste the style. Paste the same style to here. Paste the same style. Paste the same style. So let's say we have 10 branches, 900 plus customers. Let's just reduce this. Maybe it's too much. Let's just say we have about 159 rooms. That looks more realistic. Okay, so then that is that. And then we click here. And then these are testimony reviews. Let's say if you want to maintain this as your testimonials, you can go ahead. But since we have Elementor Pro, it gives us the opportunity to do custom testimonials. Let's say testimonial. You can drag this and drop it here in this section, and then you can customize it to your taste. Customize each of these to your taste. Maybe you don't like the way this one looks, which I don't know why you wouldn't. You can do this. So or you can come here and you see there are other, you see this called reviews. You can drag reviews and put it here. Let me drag that. Yeah, so it gives you another layout. So it's all up to you. Here you can customize. You can make the images bigger. You can make the images to be on top as you so desire. But for this, we are going to just go with this. We are just going to go with this. So we want to change all of this since it's your website. You don't want the visitors to be seeing anything about theme forest. Yes, you can go to all of this and see CTO. Just say guest John Smith. We'll change this to Jane because it's a woman's picture that is there. And then Annette Black. Yes, we'll just say guest. We'll do the same thing here. Jacob Jones. Yes, guest. Thank God it's a man's picture. Ralph Edwards. We'll look for another picture. Come to Pexels again. Ralph Edwards, guest. Yes. So actually, I have some male pictures downloaded to my computer already. So I'll just go and select one of them. You can go to Pexels and just look for the picture of a man. So here, I will select this man's picture and I'm going to insert it here. I'm going to insert it. And we've already used this picture as the picture of this person here, John Smith. So you can go ahead and change it. Let me see. Look for another picture. Man. So we can use this gentleman's picture. Just click on it and we download it in small format. It's downloaded. We come here and then we see Jacob and then we can select this gentleman's picture and replace it there. And you see insert media, insert media. So you now see we have all of this. So when you scroll, yes, you see the effect there. So that's it. So we can also come here. We want to make these buttons to be gold. So we click on this. You can change the text here. Lorem ipsum text, that's what we have there. You can also change the picture, fitness center. You can change the pictures here. Then for the button, let's come to style and we come to read more. And you see, we can change the button color from here. Let me go to content. You can change the button color from here. Read more. Normal color. This is the color of the button. So I want to change it to gold. Oh, sorry. I've changed the text instead. I should be changing the background instead. So you can see it's changed it to gold. It's changed it to gold. And then we want this. We don't like this color of this area. We can change it under style, and then you can change the background type from here, and you see it change there. But we'll just maintain it for now. So you see when we change this, even the hover color changes, and so we can click on copy, and then we paste style here. Paste style. You see this button to changes. Paste style here too. Paste style. The same thing here. So we have that there. You can change the pictures here if you don't want them. Spa. Let's say you want to use another picture for spa. You can come here on pixels, close this, and just say spa. Yes, you can use any of these pictures. Let's say you want to use this instead. You can come here and you download these. It's downloaded, and then you can come here and you select that picture and then you upload it here. You can see this picture. That's what you have there now, and you can change the text of all of this. You can change the text of all of this, and then news, all of these, they are from the post. Let's come to post. Let me come to the back end of this. So you come to post, all post. This is where you get all those news articles which you see here. Pack wisely before traveling in New York. This is it here. So want to delete this hello world because we don't want people to know right off the bat that we are using WordPress. You can edit this post. Edit. It's loading depending on the internet speed. So how to travel with paper map. I think this is what we are. How to travel with paper map. If you want to change this image here, you can click on it, and then let's see. You can just change the image here. You can change the image from here. Open media library, and then use this one here. So you've replaced that, and then if you have your own text, you can go ahead. You can replace this one too, depending on whatever you desire, and then you go ahead and update it. So now you see that when I come to the page I was editing, let me refresh. So there you have it. There you have it. You see when it slides, you see that that image has been changed. So we'll go ahead now and want to work on okay, the image has not been changed because we did not change the advanced. We're supposed to change the featured image from here. This is it. So we are going to have to replace this, and then good. So that is changed. That is that. So we want to come now and to work on the hotel rooms. On the hotel rooms. And because this is one of the most important, the hotel rooms. We want to work on the hotel rooms. So for this particular theme, you will notice that the rooms are listed as products. So for us to be able to edit any of the rooms, we have to come under products, and you see products, click on all. You see when you hover, it brings you see all products, click on it. So when you look at these are, we have the rooms. Let's come to rooms. These are the rooms that we have: deluxe room, standard room, two, combo room, single room, family room, VIP room. So for us to be able to edit any of these, we need to look for them here. Let me close this. So this is the deluxe room. So we can edit it from here. So you see it has this text. You can add the text description from here. You can set the price, regular price per day. Maybe you want this to be 250, and then repeat type 1 day, or you can, yes, 1 day. Charge by night, amount of insurance, maybe the amount that should be paid. When you hover over this, says this amount will be added to the cart. Decimal, use dot. No, but we don't want to do that. Enable deposit, yes. Required deposit, yes. Deposit type, percentage of price. You can see percentage of price. And what's the deposit amount? This will be 50%. So how many deluxe rooms do we have? We have 5 of them. Maximum number of adults 2, maximum number of children 2. Average number, acreage number, that's the size. We can just say this is 200 square meters, 50 square meters, or no, 200 is too big. Let's just see 75 square meters. Number of beds 2, bath number 2, parking for motorcycle, and then you can embed the YouTube video link here. And then the daily prices, you can set the daily prices. Maybe during the weekends you want it to be 275, 275, and then the rest of the days 200. Copy, you paste here, you paste here, paste, paste. So during the week is 200, but during the weekend, Saturdays and Sundays, is 275. So these are the features that we have here. You can add one of them. You can add a feature here if you so desire, and you put the icon, and then you label it, and then show in category, yes. But we're not going to add anything that we are good with those. So discount, you see, if you are booking from 3 to 5 days, maybe we'll give you a discount. I will say it's 225. From 6 to 8 days, we say it's 200. So these are advanced features you can use. Special times, you can probably during the summer or special dates, you can give special prices. And then these services, these are paid services, you can add them here. That's Wi-Fi VIP, so maybe super fast VIP Wi-Fi, you can add there for maybe for $50. And then the golf course, if they want to use the golf course, yes, VIP 155 per day, popular, premium, and all that. You can add all of these services. It gives you a lot of opportunity to make more income. And then you can go ahead and change the pictures from here. You can add a category. Maybe you want to use categories like deluxe rooms. This should be deluxe room 1. You can add the category here. Maybe you want to say this is deluxe rooms. Yes, and then you add it there, and then you want it to be a new category, and then you can see the gallery photo galleries. You can add here. You want to change the image when you have new images. You can change the images from here, and then you can go ahead and update. You can go ahead and update. So you can see the permalink that it says something, www.foodtutorial.downloadio.com index.php product. This is not what we actually want. This is not very SEO friendly. So we can come back to the back end and come under settings and look for permalinks. And then you want to choose the permalink to be post name, and then you go ahead and save changes. Yes, so now when you come back to the product that you were editing, this is it. You go ahead and reload it. You see the link structure has changed. Product deluxe room. Yes, so we can even edit this and make it whatever you want. Deluxe bed, deluxe room, maybe, and you say luxury hotel. All of this is for SEO purposes. So, and then you update. So that is it for the rooms. You can go ahead and do this for all other rooms. You can go ahead and do this for all other rooms. So we want to come now, and then to the website. Let's see the effect of some of the changes that we have made. You can see we have this in gold. We have all of these. The deluxe room is not showing here yet. It's not showing here yet. But we go under rooms. You can see we've changed the color of this. We've changed the layout of this, and then we added and all of that. We made this gold. So if you come now, let's say you want to change the information you have there on the footer. When you hover over this and you see here edu elementor, it says footer. You click on that. We can edit what we have there on the footer. So now you want to change this. Oh, sorry about that. I'll bring that back here. But this is a picture, but we don't want this here. We want to say Dutch Hotel. So we are going to come here and see heading. We drag a heading here. We delete this and just see Dutch Hotel, and then we'll make this gold. But first of all, we want to make this on 2 lines so that it seems like it's so we use a line breaker. Just use these braces I've used here, and then we want to make this to be gold. No, let me copy this gold hex code from here, and then I'll paste it here. Yes, then we want it to be let's say shoulders, big shoulders display. Yes, and then we want it to be size 50. Is that too big? Let's make it size 40, and then we'll make it 900. Yes, so that is Dutch Hotel. That will be our logo, and then maybe we want to change all of these text to gold. Paste. Want to change all of this to gold, and then we change this to gold. We change this the same to gold, and then we want to make this background to be black and not blue. We click on this section, and then we change it from this to pure black, so the gold is really pronounced. And then you can change it and put your own picture here, and we'll change this icon to gold. we change this to gold. And then even this, we're going to change it style, color type, gold. So that is that. And then we want to remove this thing and want to change this here. We don't want that text to be there. Let's see, label type, link label. Let's see, we'll change it to the name of your hotel, Dutch Hotel. Yes, Dutch Hotel. And then we remove this link here and put another link, whatever, probably your contact or something of that sort. And then we'll update it. And then we can change the color info to gold. We change this one to gold. So we'll see that. And then as you can see it, you can start from here and then you change anything you desire here. Maybe your address is 123 1234 Angel Lane, let's see, Los Angeles, California, USA. So that is that there. We want to change all of this text to be Montserrat because that's what we've been using all through the website. Montserrat. Yes. Now we'll leave the headings the same and we'll change typography to Montserrat. Montserrat. And all of this is Montserrat. So we want to change this to, let it be Montserrat. Let it be harmonized. So that is that there. So now we can make this to be bolder. We can make this to be bold. If we can make it to be bold, yes, view map. So this is it. This is this. So we will go ahead now. Let me copy this because I'm going to use it on the header. I'm going to copy this. So this is how the footer will look on the website. Let me reload this. You see, we have a black footer now, and to me, it looks a lot better. So now we want to go ahead and edit the header too to make it harmonious. Header banner. We are going to edit this. Okay, so we are going to go ahead. We can edit any portion of this. Let's see, we'll start by on top here. I want to make this black. First of all, we'll change the background to black, and then we can change this contact@company.com. We change it to maybe contact@dutchhotel.com. That's your own information there. And then here, Romancy, we want to remove this. I want to put the same Dutch Hotel writing which we did in front there. That's on the footer. And then we'll delete this. And then we'll make this. We'll put the gold color here. No, sorry. I don't know why it's not responding here. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and then I'm going to write it afresh. Dodge, and I put line break. If you don't want to spend money paying somebody to do a logo for you, you can just use this text For some reason it's not changing. Anyway, I'll just estimate. Yes, that is it. And then I'll make it shoulders, big shoulder display, and I'll make it 800. Let me make it 900 here. Yes, so you can see that. Then I want to change this button, the style. I'll remove this link and I'll link it to the rooms page, the page where you have all the rooms. This is the page, and then I'm going to copy the link from here, and then I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to link it here. That's the link, and then I want to use the same gold color here. Pardon my voice, please. And then I'm going to put it here, change this to gold, change even this to gold. Yes, so you see that when you hover over it, there is that color too. So I'll change the hover color to gold, to gold. That is it. So when they hover over it, yes, that's it. I want to make that typography, the typography of that text there, I want to make it 800. Yes, and I want to make it Montserrat. Montserrat. So it's clearly visible now. I want to change this one to, I want to change this to be black. All of this, the text to be white. Let me see. Primary menu style. Text button should be pure white. Sorry about that. Should be pure white. Text button, and then the background should be black. Pure black, pure black, totally black. So it gives you that feel now. So you can update that, and then when we come now to see the website, you can see this. For some reason it hasn't changed. Let me go ahead and check that, what is going on. The header, that should have something to do with the cache that needs to be cleared. Did I update? The footer changed, but the header didn't seem to change. Oh, I didn't update. Oh my god, how come I did all that work and not update? Let me go ahead and do the changes again. I'll delete this and see Dutch. Then I put the line breaks, and then I'm going to change the background of this. I'm going to do this fast since we already saw this fast, and then I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this to, let me see. Okay, that's changed here, and then I'm going to change this to shoulder. Let me say 900, and then this one too is going to be totally black, and then all of this I'm going to change the background color to gold. Let me go ahead and update it while I still work so that I don't forget. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this too. Okay, then I want to typography Montserrat 800, and I want to change this color. No, typography menu color totally white, and then want to change this to, first of all, info. We'll change this to gold, and then we'll see at Dutch Hotel. Copy, we paste here. I'll be surprised if this still doesn't display the changes we've made. Let's go ahead to the home page. I still don't understand why this is not changing. The footer changed, but this is not changing. I don't know why. Probably has something with us cleaning the cache. Let me see. But this shows here that it has changed. When you try to preview it, it shows that it has changed, but for some reason it doesn't change. Anyway, you get the point. That's how to change it. Let me go to a plugin and use clean the cache. Let me see, cache. I'm going to use WP Optimize cache cleaner. Install. This is for the purpose of cleaning the cache. Then I'll go to Optimize. Probably there is cache somewhere. Yes, so I want to clean. I want to run an optimization right now. It's optimizing. Let it continue to optimize while we look at the other functionality. So we are going to go ahead with this. And then we see that we have gone ahead and the listings and all the prices are, this is this. Let's reload. You can see it's taking shape now after we've cleaned the cache. So it must have been a problem with cache. You see now as the cache is being cleaned, this is showing, but not totally. Let me go ahead and show. That's one of the things which you need to take care of. So let me click on the menu items and style. Hover. When they hover over any menu item, let's change the color to gold. No, let's copy this here. Okay, that's supposed to have changed too. Anyway, as it's being cleaned, as the cache is being cleaned, you can see sometimes you make changes on your website and you don't see them on the front end because some cache needs to be cleaned. You can call it cache or cache depending on which part of the world you come from. It's still being cleaned, but you see this has already changed to gold, and we see our logo here, and you see Dutch Hotel here. So in the long and short of it, we can change the background of this area too. It's loading. So we can change the background of this area too, to black, to harmonize. We'll click on this section and then we'll come to style, background type, classic, and then come here and choose let it be totally black. Let it be totally black, in harmony, in sync with the rest of the website. That's the footer and the header. So when we go ahead now and we refresh this page, you can see that this section is now black with a beautiful overlay there. So thank you guys for watching. It has been fun building this website with you. Please go ahead, if you like this video, smash the thumbs up button, like this video, comment down whatever it is you want me to do more, any other video you want me to create, comment, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace. God bless you.